Here are the fans that Jeannie bought. Oh yeah, those are. Somebody. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come my
I'm cool on TikTok. You know how to
unbox. Yes. I'm throwing it for you? Sure. This is the bedhead curly pops. It's supposed to be really good. This girl I watch on YouTube, Sophieology, she uses this all the time. And her wigs be late.
Oh, that's big. What is that, 1 inch?
Yes. I got it on Ulta because it was 50% off. I'm gonna get it for 17 Zollers. 17 Zollers. Ooh, that thing thick. Here's a glove. Hold on, let me see. I hold it like this. And I spin with my left. So I'm gonna put it on my left hand. This is a heat resistant glove. It's getting hot.
What's the temperatures?
It's one. It's getting pretty hot. And this glove ain't working. Because I can feel it. I'm gonna test because I never wanted anybody else's hair.
And I've never curled my own hair.
Ever?
No. It always makes sense to you.
How I do this?
The girl is mighty quiet over there.
The thing kept going literally right to the scene.
It's a girl in this boutique. She's doing her fingers. I need a spoon. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are actually going to surprise my sister with a party.
Surprising.
Oh, is that my alarm?
To do what?
To call.
Hey girl.
With my new iPad.
Yes, ma'am. She's got an iPad, so she's officially mature.
Yeah, now I'm a grown up.
And it's golden hour, so that's another reason why you should come out now, because you're not gonna get no good pictures.
Yeah, I figured. I was trying to watch the sun.
Like, you can take your pictures here right now if you want. Wow. I mean, you're allowed to be late. I just don't want
Everybody else.
Yeah.
When I do the flower picture, the flower one might take less time.
Where's my seat? Here or here?
whichever one you want. They're both blue. It's all true.
Who's sitting where? It doesn't matter. Right there.
We all friends, so it don't matter.
Joanne, you said you right here? That's Rob. You know what? I'll sit closer to the food.
Right here.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. Follow the stars. There you shall find a pick up at 5. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Oh, cute. We're gonna do it twice.
Don't close it. Hand in here.
Okay.
Thank you. I am.
I say 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Picasso. Well, listen to you. Sorry.
Y'all not in this clip, so it's just them two. Oh, so the Linda get out the way.
You're like,
Oh, let's turn it
literally
over
like
and then turn.
Simon Cowell done.
Wait, what's the words? Play this outside. No words.
Redo.
I don't even have.
What is bad? It should have just been something. I had nothing to look at. That's not fair.
Waiting for you to be great.
Okay,
What's that first stuff she said?
I didn't know
On the
what
bottom
what is
page. You were good, but I'm waiting
So
for
you're gonna
you
say that first?
Yes.
Okay.
So when she said on the bottom, page, then turn.
So we all say page?
No, you ain't say nothing. You're not in this.
Go ahead.
You gotta get closer because your phone is not that well.
Me?
Yeah, I don't see
Sit
it.
down. Good?
Yeah.
Wait, can you sit on this side?
No, Ariel had to move. There you go.
Yeah, but she was way over here.
Good?
You need to be close to them. So y'all, none of y'all cut. No.
She need to scoot over something.
Abby?
Yeah. There you go.
Good?
Turn it this way, okay?
Oh, technical behind.
Good.
And then I'll just stop when you're done.
So when she said page, turn.
I don't do TikTok. Ready?
Sonia, tell her when to stop.
Wait, are we
What you
looking at
doing
you?
then?
No, somebody who knows the sound.
Page.
Yeah, because I don't
Wait, are we
do
looking
TikTok
at you?
videos like on TikTok sounds.
So just on the bottom, page.
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome for the idea.
No. No. Ready? 2,
Look at her.
1.
Sorry. They almost fell out my hand. My arm's too short. It's nasty. Y'all got it easy. Let me try again.
like your arms too short. Every single day she said my arm's so short.
I must do this.
You alright, so I got Go ahead, so there you go. There you go.
Now watch her lose her
Ready?
balance.
Watch.
Ready?
Yeah, your legs crossed, you're gonna fall.
I stand like this.
Touch your legs, girl.
I stand like this. Leave me alone.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Next.
Y'all did page.
Can I see it?
Wait,
It's
wait,
next.
wait.
Can I see it?
You didn't stick out to me next or something?
We about to find out. Let's think out.
I'm trying to never pickle.
Right?
What is it? 1, 2, 3.
Next.
Use the thing and put it in front of you.
Just want to bend over the wall. Both of them got you. Put it up.
I tried so hard to get aprons, bro.
You should have told me I was supposed to.
I have disposable aprons at work.
Wow. Ready? 2, 1. Next. Who didn't go yet?
Us 2. Oh, what? Us 3?
Next is Brooke.
Oh, you got it.
She didn't say nothing.
Yeah, y'all gotta figure out y'all order good. All of y'all's look good.
Next.
How about you separate me and
Well,
Stacey?
Judy, you didn't do yours, so 2 and 2.
How about you separate me and Stacy?
No, there's no way. You can save it and redo the sound, right?